Hi Scrummy bakers, I've shared with you my recipe for a 15-minute pizza dough, and now I'm going to show you how to make a delicious 1-minute pizza sauce. You now have everything you need to make a gorgeous homemade pizza. Let's get started. This is a real simple recipe. We're going to start by placing 10 tomatoes in a food processor or a blender. Into this add garlic, oregano or Italian herbs, whichever you have, brown sugar. This will help to reduce the acid in the tomatoes. Next add chopped onion, salt and some tomato puree. When you're picking your tin of tomatoes, pick a good quality one as it will give more flavour. Blend together for a couple of seconds until you have a smooth mixture just like this. That's it, all done, my no fuss 1-minute pizza sauce, and the great thing about it is that you know exactly what's gone into it. It's so much better and healthier than anything you will buy in the shop. This will keep in the fridge for 5 days or pop into the freeze and have for when you need it. This is one of those recipes you'll love and definitely need to try. Please subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out on my easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!